So, the second runners-up of Miss Teen Meghalaya 2023 goes to contestant number 5, Denise. Thank you, Fensila. And now, to crown the first runners-up, may I please call on stage Miss Wanlum Rinja, Miss Teen Meghalaya 2022 first runners-up on stage, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's all give her a warm round of applause. So the first runners-up, Miss Teen Meghalaya 2023 goes to contestant number 15, Miss Gracie Nandi. We can come here in the middle. So who wins Miss Teen Meghalaya 2023? We would like to invite on stage Miss Daniela Shirley Majau. She was Miss Teen Meghalaya 2022. Ladies and gentlemen, a loud round of applause for Miss Daniela.
And your Miss Teen Meghalaya 2023 is none other than contestant number 11. Miss Teen Meghalaya 2023, Angelina.
We would also like to request our organizers to kindly hand our winners their check. Thank you so much to all the contestants. Thank you so much for your participation. We do wish you the very best in your future endeavors. Thank you so much and a very big congratulations for participation here. Thank you.
Your winners for Miss Teen Meghalaya, everybody.